Today is July 26th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Co doing a brief running video of our Southwestern Industries-TRAK 1845 SX lathe. This has the ProtoTRAK SLX control on it. We have a very brief program queued up just so you can see the movements, and certainly if there are any questions beyond that, feel free to contact us. You can visit us at hildebrandmachinery.com and contact us through the website, and also see our inventory with full specs, photos, and prices of all our equipment. Go ahead, let's run our program. X moved pretty fine there. It might have been difficult to see, but the handles, everything is in fine working order there. So the only thing not shown here is some additional tool holders that will be put with the machine for the tool post you see on it. That's not been done yet, but I recommend that you look at the spec sheet then, and we'll have all that information on there. So if there are any further questions, please feel free to contact us.